start with my name. My name is Emilie and I live in County Wexford and I have 2 children and a husband. As a working mother for years, really, I think we tend sometimes to neglect ourselves a little bit. I'd look in the mirror, especially in the morning. Gosh, I'd say time is catching up with me. And it's not just wanting to look younger, it's feeling fresher. I was nervous, actually, in the very beginning, and I was fearful coming in because your face is one of the first things people see. Peter was so good, he was so professional, so kind, that he allayed my fears, really. I didn't want a general anaesthetic, I didn't want a full facelift. I didn't think I needed one. I think I really just needed a little bit of help. And like a lot of women do, and I think that's why it's so interesting for women nowadays, that little treatments can help rather than going down the route of general anaesthetic. Whereas with Peter and with Venus Medical, I feel that really a natural look can be achieved with little downtime, and that's important as well. I chose the One Stitch Facelift because I feel that facials and skincare regimes are all well and good and they really help women. But the One Stitch Facelift gives that little lift, which skincare can't do. I felt better about myself. You know, I felt better about the world. I feel, I don't know, it just gave me that extra. I got more interested in clothes even, you know, because I felt younger and I felt better. So really it has done a lot for me. That's why I'm here with Venus Medical.